Hi guys, my name is Bappi Hamed and welcome to this video. So guys, I think you know recently Meta AI has published one amazing open source large language model called Llama 3.2. So I think you already know about Llama. So Llama is having different kinds of actually version. So Llama 1 is there, Llama 2 is there, right? Then I think you already know just few months ago actually they published something called Llama 3.1 as well. So recently they have came up with Llama 3.2. And what are the new features actually they have included inside this Llama 3.2? I'll be discussing each and everything in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So trust me guys, they have came up with one amazing large language model in the field of generative AI. So you can see Llama 3.2 is an open source actually AI model. That means large language model. You can also fine tune this model on top of your custom data. Let's say you want to fine tune on a specific task with your custom data. Okay, this is also possible. And you can see it is having different kinds of variant, like it is having 1 billion parameter model, 3 billion parameter model, 11 billion parameter model, and 90 billion parameter model. So it is like massive model. And previously, I think you already know Llama 3.1 was there. Now let's try to discuss about Llama 3.2, like what are the, let's say, new functionality they have came up with in this Llama 3.2. So guys, here you can see the latest models. Llama 3.2 is a collection of large language model LLM pre-trained and fine-tuned in 1 billion and 3 billion sizes that are multilingual text only. And there is another model called 11 billion and 90 billion. So this model actually takes both kinds of, let's say, data, text and images, okay, as an input and output as a text. Okay, so this is one of the amazing model actually they have came up with. Now here you can see guys, they have divided this model into two section. One is the lightweight section and there is like multimodal section. So you can see 1 billion and 3 billion, this model they are considering as a lightweight model. Why? Because this lightweight model, okay, is the most efficient model that you can run everywhere on your mobile or any kinds of edge devices. Okay, it's amazing guys. So far, let's say whatever model we saw, okay, in the field of generative AI. So all the model, if you see, we need the powerful GPU machine, right? If I want to execute this model. But what Meta AI did actually, they came up with lightweight model as well, lightweight large language model. Just try to think about guys. You can execute this kinds of large language model on your edge devices, on your smartphone. Great, right? And this is the variant guys, 1 billion parameter model and 3 billion parameter model you can execute as a lightweight model. Now there is another section they have actually published called multimodal, and inside that we are having 11 billion parameter model and 90 billion parameter model. Okay, so here you can see these are multimodal that are flexible and can reason on high resolution image. That means you can also pass the high resolution image. Okay, if you are using these kinds of large language model. Got it? Now, if you want to download these are the model, if you want to get the access from the Meta AI guys, what you have to do, just click here. So it will ask for one information. So you have to submit all the information and you have to. So once you submit this form, they will review your form and they will give you the permission. It will take, I think, 24 hours. In 24 hours, you will get the permission. So I already applied for the permission guys. I already got the permission. I'll tell you how we can access this model. You can also access this model from the Hugging Face itself. Okay. So let me show you guys Hugging Face. So inside Hugging Face, also this model is available. So just search for Meta. So let me go to the Meta organization. Now, if you just go below, see Llama 3.2. Okay. Inside the collection, you will see that Llama 3.2. So all the models are available inside Hugging Face itself. Okay. Now you can use any kinds of model. Let's say I want to use this model, 1 billion parameter model. I'll just try to click here. And one thing you have to do here, guys, just try to expand it and try to agree all the, let's say, information, whatever they are suggesting, and try to put your information here and try to submit. Okay. Once you submit, you will get the permission, okay, from the Meta AI. Now, let me tell you how you'll see the permission. So for this, just go to your profile and just go below there. You will see one option called gated repositories. Okay. Just try to click here. Now you'll see that I have already applied for the Meta Llama 2. Okay. So here is the permission. Okay. I got the permission. You can see accept it. Got it? So that's how you can apply for the permission. And once you got the permission, guys, you can use this model. Now they have already given the code snippet how we can use the model, guys. If I just go below, see, they have already given the code snippet. So this code actually you can execute. Okay, this code actually you can execute in your Colab notebook or in your Jupyter notebook, anywhere you can execute. You will see the output from the model. Okay. I'll show you how we can use this model in a different way. So at the last of the video, I'll tell you how we can use this model through the API request. Okay, I'll tell you for this which platform you can use. But before that, let's export the website again. Okay, like what are the things that actually they have came up. Now you can see guys, this is the example they have given. Let's say on devices. On devices means this is the a lightweight model, and you can see this is the lightweight model performance. That means if you give any kinds of text here, okay, it can do the summarization. Even it can also perform the calendar event extraction. So many things it can perform, guys. If you can see, they have also given the video. Okay, video, let's say sample. You can watch this video. Now let's go to the multimodal. See, multimodal, as I already told you, it can take two kinds of input, image and text, right? So you can pass any kinds of image, and this will give you the entire caption of that image. You can also change any element inside the image. It is also possible. Let's say you don't need this. Let me show you. Let's say you don't need this this fire box. Okay, so what you can do, you can select this firebox. Sorry, this is called actually fireplace. Then what it will do, it will automatically replace, okay, with any other fireplace. See, okay. So this is one of the amazing model they have created, and there is another service they have actually published called Llama Stack. With the help of Llama Stack, you can execute these are the model in your local machine. Okay, see, for this whatever command actually they are suggesting, you can execute them. Now you can see the model evaluation, guys. That means the entire benchmark. So they're considering Llama 3.2 1 billion, Llama 3.2 3 billion, and Jimma 2 billion, and Pi 3.5 mini IT. So these are the model actually they are doing the comparison with different benchmark data set, you can see. And this is the accuracy, guys. Okay, this is the accuracy. So guys, you can see Llama 3.2 series actually is performing better. So you can see all the benchmark metrics. Now if I go below, you can see the downloads, number of downloads, okay, of this model. Even they're also discussing about data privacy, productivity, okay, contextual understanding, and solving business needs, right? Apart from that, you can see they have also published actually different blog on top of this Llama 3.2. You can also read it out if you want to read it. So guys, now let's try to see how we can use this Llama 3.2 model. So first of all, I'll show you the Hugging Face demo, like how we can access through the Hugging Face. So let me open up my Hugging Face. So if you go to the Llama 3.2 section, so here you will see different kinds of model. Okay, so first of all, you have to apply for the permission, guys. I already told you. So if you open up any model, there you will see one input form. So you have to first of all submit all the information, and you have to apply for the permission. And if they're giving the permission, you will be able to access this model. So I already applied for the permission, guys. So let's say I want to use this model, Llama 3.2 11B Vision Instruct model. So this is the Vision model. Now we can also test this model here. So they have given one inference API. You can see you can also test this model here. Either what you can do, they have given the code snippet as well. You can also execute in your Google Colab. So let me copy this code snippet. And I will open up my Google Colab. So first thing what you have to do, you have to install the transformer library, because if I want to use Hugging Face, I need the transformer library. Now just try to paste the code snippet here. Now let me execute. Okay, so here it is giving me one error because you have to install the transformer update version. Okay, so let me copy this command and let me execute it right now. Okay, now I have to restart the runtime. Then after that, I will execute this code. So first of all, what will happen? It will download that model. Okay, it will download this Llama 3.2 11B Vision Instruct model. Then it will download one image. You can see this is the image. So this image actually it will download. Then on top of this image actually, here is the prompt, guys. So it will apply this prompt and it will give me the output. Let me show you. So let me execute this code. And this model size is very huge, guys. So it will take some time to download from the internet. And guys, make sure you have taken the runtime as GPU, because this model, first of all, it will download in your system, then it will execute. And to execute this model, you need the GPU. So I already stopped the execution because it will take time. First of all, it will download the model, then it will do the inference. So I'll tell you one easiest way you can access the model through the API request. For this, what you can do, you can use something called this library called Groq. Okay, so Groq is a platform. Let me show you. So it's kinds of OpenAI kinds of platform. Groq Playground. If you just search here, even I think I already given the link here. So let me first of all install Groq. So here is the link I have at us, guys. Playground, Groq Playground. Let me open it up. Okay, so here the first thing, you can create one account. If you don't have the account, I already created my account. Now here you can select different Llama model. So not only Llama model, it is also have actually Google model, Hugging Face. Okay, different kinds of model it is already having. Even Mistral is there, Whisper is there. Okay, all kinds of model it is having. Now let's say I want to use this Llama 3.2. So let's say I want to test this model, Llama 3.2 1B preview. Okay, this model, I'll select it. Now here you can give the prompt. Let's say give me a Python code to add two numbers. Now here I can submit and I can get the response. See, okay. Now if I want to access through the API, what I need to do, guys, I need to first of all create one API key. So click here and try to create one API key. For me, I already created one API key. For you, you can create one API key. Okay, after that, this is the code snippet, guys. Okay, first of all, import the Groq, then set the API key and give the prompt. So here I'm giving, tell me about your capabilities, and just try to pass the model, okay, inside the client. Then here you also need to give the role and the prompt. That means the way you used to write your OpenAI, okay, OpenAI, I think syntax, the same thing here you also need to write. Then you can also pass the parameter like temperature, max tokens, okay. These are the thing you can also mention. I think you know what is temperature parameter, what is max token parameter, right? Then after that, whatever response I'm getting, I'm just printing here. Now let me execute and let me show you. So see, guys, this is the response I got from my model. Now you can change the prompt. Let's say I will give me a Python code to add two numbers. Now let's see. See, here is the Python code I got. Okay, so that's actually with the help of API request you can access this Groq model, and you can change the model name here anytime. So different model. Let's say if I'm taking this model, just try to click on view code, and this is the model ID. Just try to copy here and try to paste it here. Okay, so it will load that model and it will do the inference operation. Got it? And it's like free. You don't need to pay for anything. It's completely free. Got it? So yes, guys, this is the demo of our Llama 3.2. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot. And guys, if you're new to this generative AI, if you want to learn about generative AI, so you can follow my playlist. So in my YouTube channel, I already created one end-to-end complete generative AI playlist. So here you can see, guys, this is the playlist. So here I have covered each and everything you need to know about the generative AI. So this course will give you the entire understanding how we can use different kinds of model, different kinds of large language model, different kinds of, let's say, framework, different kinds of, let's say, technique, okay, vector database, everything I have tried to cover, even fine-tuning part, everything I tried to cover. So this course you can follow. So after completing this course, you will be able to master this generative AI. That means you can use any kinds of large language model, okay, and you can build any kinds of Gen AI powered application. Because now see, whatever model they have published, it's completely fine. Now you have to learn how we can use this model efficiently with different kinds of, let's say, framework. Let's say we can use this model with the help of LangChain, Llama index. We can also connect different kinds of vector database, right? With that, we will be creating different kinds of application, like we'll be creating the RAG based application. We'll be also learning how we can perform the fine tuning operation on top of our custom data. Yes or no? Okay. And if you want to learn it, so definitely I will suggest this course. So this course will give you the entire understanding of the generative AI. So please go ahead and try to take this course, guys. And if you like this course, guys, please try to subscribe to the channel, try to share it. So yes, this is all from this video. I hope you liked it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.